Hello everyone, welcome back to One Pink One Plants. Today I would like to talk to you about my Aroid mix. With only 4 simple ingredients you can make an Aroid mix that your plants will love. And this mix can be used for any Aroid plant. So what is an Aroid potting mix? I will show you in a little bit, but to better understand it, you have to first know a little bit about aroids. An aroid is any plant in the Araceae family. Aroids are classified by their flowers, which is called inflorescence. And a quick search on Online Britannica led me to an arum family composed of 114 genera and about 3,750 species of flowering plants. Although 3,750 sounds like a lot of accepted species names, there are a lot more that have yet to be discovered and recognized. These plants are commonly found indoors in the US. They are your Philodendrons, Monsteras, Alocasias, Anthuriums, and Syngoniums, to name a few. The thing is that aroid plants are native to tropical rainforests, where they grow in a hot and humid environment. And because of the type of environment the native plant is used to, they are prone to root rot when kept indoors in dense soil. This is where the aroid mix comes in. An aroid mix needs to provide a chunky and airy environment for the roots to grab onto and have enough air to breathe. In the wild, aroids take in some of their water and nutrients from the air through their air roots. Therefore, having a good aroid mix is a must. Now, there are different components and substitutes that can be used when making an aroid mix. My experience with my plants is based on the ingredients I use. The amount of ingredients I add in my mixture also varies every time I make it, and that is because there are many factors to consider. The aroid mix I make has 4 ingredients, which are orchid bark, activated charcoal, perlite, and cactus mix. For me, it is the purpose of the aroid mix that mainly affects its consistency. The components I use provide a different purpose for the mix, and I don't really measure them. Now, let's look at the different ingredients I use. So the orchid bark I use, it's a coarse grade and it helps aerate the soil. The activated charcoal is used to filter out any impurities, and it also maintains a good pH balance in the soil. The perlite I use is excellent for maintaining moisture control and drainage. I also use the cactus mix because it's a fast draining soil, and I only used a little bit of the cactus mix. So the reason why my aroid mix varies from time to time is due to the amount of sunlight my plants get, the humidity level I provide for them, and my watering habits. For example, if you are an overwaterer like me, you should consider adding more perlite and vice versa. I love my aroid mix because it is very chunky and airy. If you are interested, you can add some worm castings. I don't like using worm castings because they can provide a funky smell and I just don't like it. But you are welcome to use it if you would like. I just provide my plants with this airy, chunky type of soil, and I generally check my plants every day. The longest I have left them go without me has been a week, and they were fine. They were great actually, and that has helped me enjoy them even more. I hope this was helpful for understanding aroid plants, the consistency of their aroid mix, and how to make it work to your plant's advantage to keep your aroids happy and growing. Give the aroid mix a try and let me know if you like it or not in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe out there.